we really are letting people know in advance about
Yeah.
the seriousness of what we're expecting.
Seriousness, that is a good word to describe it, Jennifer. This is our severe weather outlook for tomorrow, and you see in this pink color to our west, this is an incredibly rare level 5 risk of severe weather. It's as high as it gets. There's no higher than that on the scale. And as I zoom into North Georgia, we've now had West Georgia added and a level 4 out of 5 risk of severe weather, and that level 3 out of 5 remains in effect for eastern Georgia. So all modes of severe weather possible tomorrow evening and overnight. That could include damaging winds 60 to 80 miles per hour and strong long track tornadoes entering Georgia from our west and Alabama. So storm threats tomorrow. We're all going to get heavy rainfall, high risk of damaging winds. We put that tornado threat at moderate, which we do not do very often at all this time of year. And we can also see tornado if we see more of those discrete supercells on the map. So before we get into the timeline, I just want you to mentally prepare for this coming in. Do you know your safe place and where you're going to go if you are put under a tornado warning? And can you find your county that you live in on a map? A mobile home, a manufactured home, is not a safe place to be during a tornado warning. I want you to have multiple ways to get those warnings, especially while you're going to bed tomorrow night. That includes the 11 Alive app, a NOAA weather radio, and turning on those wireless emergency alerts on your phone. And then around your house in advance of the storms tomorrow night, secure or bring in any lightweight or loose objects that could easily become projectiles even outside of the severe storms. Here's the big picture. You can see tomorrow morning, few showers possible in northwest Georgia, but the main event is developing to our west tomorrow afternoon and evening. That's where we could see several of those long-lived supercell thunderstorms to our west tomorrow afternoon and evening, and then those start to enter northwest Georgia after 8 o'clock, moving through the heart of Atlanta between 11 p.m. and 3 a.m. on Sunday morning. So storms coming in. We do expect widespread severe weather. We'll talk more about this a little closer hour by hour and talk more about those facets of severe weather I'm expecting coming up.